Glow Guide by Yuma.
Top tips for clear, glowing skin.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Glow Guide by Uma. Today I'm sharing my top tips for achieving clear and glowing skin. First and foremost, drink plenty of water. Hydration is key to healthy skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to flush out toxins and keep your skin glowing. Consistency is everything. Follow a routine that suits your skin type, including a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer both morning and night. Regular cleansing removes dirt and oil, keeping your skin fresh. Never skip sunscreen. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing pigmentation and dark spots. Your diet plays a huge role in your skin's health. Eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid junk food and oily snacks as they can lead to breakouts. A good night's sleep is crucial. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night to allow your skin to rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles and dull skin. Keep your hands off your face. Touching your face frequently can spread bacteria, leading to pimples and acne. If you need to touch your face, make sure your hands are clean. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and reveals fresh skin. Try to exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week, but don't overdo it as this can irritate your skin. Stress can take a toll on your skin, so it's important to manage it. Find what helps you relax, whether it's meditation, yoga, or simply doing something you love. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to clear, glowing skin.
Like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Take care. Bye-bye.